Okay, good evening. So, welcome on. So, it's been a long time since I made a video. Yes, the last video only regarding the PGCET option entry, I had made it. And after that, many notifications have come up, and I just was waiting until everything is settling down. Okay. Yes, a lot of people had been asking queries regarding will there be an extension. Okay, so yes, the extension has come for the option entry. Yes, so up to 24th January 2024, 10 a.m. they have given the extension. Okay, in case. The reason being, yesterday only they released the cutoff, right? For the 2023 PGCET MBA and MCA and also MTech. So we are just going to see regarding the MBA and MCA part. Fine. So now, yes, there has been addition of certain new colleges also. I would recommend you to again cross-check all your banking options, whatever you had. In case if there is any better college than the one which has been allotted to you in the mock allotment, do change it as the first option. Now, the next query was I had given 5 or 10 different options. Among that, I had been allotted with the fourth option or the fifth option. So it means that should have been your first option. Okay, the fourth one should have been your first option. The next one should have been somewhere closer to that number. Okay. The reason being, everyone has given options based on their rankings. Certain people have general merit, certain people have category. Now, when the ranking system is allotted, it doesn't see category or general merit. Okay. First, if your rank is somewhere around 500 or 400 or somewhere, you have chosen for some XYZ college. And first, since the machine is filling up all the general merit seats, it is coming across your rank of 400. Okay. It is still available. The seat is still available. So the system will automatically allot you the particular seat under general merit category. Then it will start looking out for the category people of 2A, 2A, 2, 3A, SC, ST, whatever quota it is. So, do not worry if it is under general merit. It means you have been given a seat under general merit quota itself. So, nothing to worry about. Okay. So now, still, if you have got your particular wish of college, well and good. Else, just go with the remaining option of colleges, whatever you have as per the cutoff. Make necessary changes before 10 o'clock tomorrow morning and submit it. As said earlier, keep all your options within your rank. For example, if your rank is around 1500, 1600, all your options, keep it around that so you have a better chance of getting into that particular college. More than that, yes, you can get. But below 1600, go up to 1500, 1400. Okay. Not more than that, because there might be very slight chance of getting in. Since the last seat for the year might be filled in that range, it might be slightly difficult. Okay. This is the first step. And those people who have got very huge ranks, or if they are assuming around like 36, 37, 38, 39, still you people also having like many colleges which are offering seats for you people. So yes, there is an opportunity for you people also to join the colleges. And as I said earlier, whichever college you join, MBA, MCA, MTech, whatever it is, start developing your skill sets, okay, communication, and the way you represent yourself. Okay, have an identity for yourself. Have a LinkedIn profile, connect with people, and keep networking. Since you are into professional degrees, networking will be the most important key going forward. Okay, Having said this, in case if you have any other further queries, put it down in the comments. I will try to answer it up. Do not worry much. This is just going to be as smooth as possible. So by this week, I would see a lot of people joining their respective colleges at last. The wait is coming to an end. Okay, so with this said, take care, bye bye, see you. We meet shortly in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.